What's up guys, welcome back to another Random Wednesday. Today we're gonna do some kind of testing here with the Mini3. I wanna see what kind of winds it can handle. So I devised this test, and it's either gonna be the most comprehensive wind test on a little drone or the stupidest thing I've done so far. I don't know if you remember this device from a previous video I made. It's a wind meter, so it tells me the wind speed. And right now, just standing here, it's at anywhere from 1 to 5 miles an hour wind. So once I add some power, things are gonna change. And with this, I can control it. So let me go get that drone and try to do a good test here so we know how much wind the Mini3 can handle. Okay, so I got the drone flying right over here. I don't think you can see it. Let me change this. There we go. Okay, the drone is in sport mode. It's flying right there. Let me check the wind speed. So with this, at this distance, it's about 15 miles an hour at this distance. So let me do the same thing here with the drone. And it's struggling, but as you can see, it's handling it pretty well. Okay, now I'm gonna switch speeds here. I don't think it's gonna do more than this because I'm at 3.5 now. We are looking at 25 miles an hour. Let's see what the drone does. I'm impressed. Let me get closer here so you can see it struggle. Drone is focused on me, so you can see it. Let me see, it's a 25 mile an hour wind. So let me, it's holding steady at 25 miles an hour. This is crazy. The highest speed the leaf blower goes, you can see the trees in the back, the bushes in the back. The max speed is at 36 miles an hour. Okay, I guess you can see the drone there. I think you can see the drone. I'm right here. This is 36 mile an hour wind, and you can see it. It doesn't hold, gotta fly. It doesn't hold stable, but it handles the wind. Your video will be very choppy and your pictures will be terrible, but it can handle that kinds of wind. 36 miles an hour, it would fly back. And you're never gonna have sustained winds for that long. If you're ever flying in a gust of wind at 30 miles an hour, I know the little Mini can handle it. That's the Mini3 Pro, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.